Hey, what's up you guys? It's Coco here from Heart of Exploring. Today I'm going to be opening a box, actually 2 boxes, from Zpro lithium. I'm super excited about it. Let's get to it. Trying not to cut myself. In the first box we have a 100 AH 12 volt lithium battery. I'm super excited about this. I cannot believe this. Look how nice that is. Man, oh man. So it says 12 volt, 100 AH, LiFePo 4 Zpro, deep cycle, fast charge, up to 4 parallel or 4 in series, 2,000 plus charge cycles, and it's maintenance free. Sounds like a good battery to me. Alright, let's open up the next package. We got a nice shirt. Actually, this looks like 2 nice shirts. Let's open them up. Dang. Don't mind if I do. Let's put this on. I like it. Then we got another one. I think this one's just alike. That's a good thing, because, you know, I would hate to wear the same dirty one over and over. 2 hats. And a 12 volt 10A charger. What y'all think about it? Oh, but we're not done. Have a little, what are they called again? Can't think of the name. Neck gaiter. Got a neck gaiter so I don't get my neck burnt, and some stickers, and some decals for my kayak and my truck. Well, let's put this on. Well, I just want to give a big thanks to Zpro, you know, just taking the time to send me this stuff, and I'm really excited to use it, and I cannot wait to work with you guys, and I appreciate everything. Alright, adios. Well, what can I say? I'm feeling good in my new hood. Oh man, no.